Deep in the vast Pacific Ocean, a whale has been calling out for decades, but no one has ever answered. Scientists first detected this mysterious sound in 1989 using underwater listening systems originally designed by the U.S. Navy during the Cold War. These systems were meant to track submarines, but instead, they picked up something unexpected, a whale call unlike any other. The signal was clear, repeated, and consistent, yet it stood out in one strange way. It was at a frequency of 52 Hz. This became known as the 52 Hz whale, often called the loneliest whale in the world. Most whale species communicate at much lower frequencies. For example, blue whales typically call between 10 and 40 Hz, and fin whales around 20 Hz. But this whale was different. Its calls were higher pitched and did not match any known species patterns. Researchers tracked the whale over many years and found that it migrated across the Pacific Ocean, following routes similar to other large whales. It was not stationary or lost. It was moving like a normal whale, but always alone in its acoustic signature. What made the situation so fascinating and emotional was the possibility that other whales simply could not understand it. Whale communication depends heavily on frequency. If other whales could not hear or recognize this unique call, then this whale might have been swimming through the ocean without ever truly connecting with others of its kind. Over time, the story captured public imagination. It became a symbol of loneliness, a real-life creature possibly calling out into the ocean with no response. However, scientists remain careful with this interpretation. There is no direct evidence that the whale is completely alone. It is possible that other whales can hear it but respond in ways we cannot detect, or that it interacts with others using different sounds. Some researchers suggest it could be a hybrid between species, such as a blue whale and a fin whale, which might explain the unusual frequency. Others believe it could simply be an individual with a unique vocal pattern. What is certain is that the whale has been detected repeatedly over decades, traveling vast distances and continuing to call in the same unusual frequency range. Its consistency suggests a living, moving animal, not a random or artificial signal. Despite advances in ocean research, no one has ever visually confirmed this whale. Everything we know comes from sound. In a world where oceans remain largely unexplored, this story highlights how much we still do not understand about marine life and communication beneath the surface. The idea that a single whale could be calling for years, possibly unheard or misunderstood, has turned this scientific mystery into something deeply human. It reminds us that even in the largest ecosystem on Earth, there can still be unanswered calls. Sources include scientific studies on whale acoustics, oceanographic research using U.S. Navy hydrophone data, and widely reported analyses of the 52 Hz whale phenomenon from organizations such as NOAA and peer-reviewed marine biology publications. What do you think is really happening with this whale? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and do not forget to follow and subscribe for more real stories that sound unbelievable but actually happened.